A Christmas Eve surprise. Ben and Melissa were buzzing with excitement. Christmas Eve was finally here. Their house twinkled with a rainbow of lights on the roof, a beacon for Santa's sleigh. Inside, festive music filled the air. Ben and Melissa sipped on creamy eggnog, the sweet taste a special treat for the holiday. "Let's hang the stockings," Melissa said. They carefully hung their stockings by the fireplace, hoping Santa would fill them to the brim. Next, it was time to decorate the tree. They giggled as they strung fluffy white popcorn into long garlands, getting more on the floor than on the string. They draped the popcorn strings on the Christmas tree, followed by shimmering tinsel and sparkling lights. Then came the best part, the ornaments. Each one held a special memory. Ben carefully placed a shiny red ball while Melissa hung a delicate glass angel. Finally, the tree was complete with a bright, shining star on top. "It's perfect," they cheered. Before bed, they left a plate of cookies and a tall glass of milk for Santa. "He'll be hungry after all that flying," Ben said. They were allowed to open just one present each. Ben unwrapped a new toy car, and Melissa got a beautiful doll. Tucked into their beds, they dreamed of Santa and his reindeer. The next morning, they woke up to a magical sight, a mountain of presents under the tree.